In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay pictures in Pixlr. We'll walk through the full process together, from opening your first image to blending a second one on top. So by the end, you'll be comfortable creating simple overlays for things like thumbnails, social posts, or quick photo edits. First, go ahead and log into your Pixlr account in your web browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Pixlr Editor. This is the more advanced editor that gives you access to layers, which is exactly what we need for overlays. Click on Pixlr Editor, and when it opens, you'll be prompted to choose an image. You can either select a file you already see there, or upload a new image from your computer. After you pick your image, it will open up inside the editor as your main background. Now that your first image is open, let's add the picture we want to overlay. Take a look at the right side of the screen where the panels are. Find the Layers panel. It's usually towards the bottom of that right-hand side. At the bottom of the Layers panel, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says Image. As soon as you do that, your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the second image you want to overlay on top of the first one. Select that image, then click Open, or simply hit Enter on your keyboard. Pixlr will now place the second image directly on top of your original one as a new layer. At first, it might completely cover the first image, and that's normal. To adjust how it looks, click on the second image and use the resize handles around the edges to make it larger or smaller. You can also click and drag the image to position it exactly where you want it on the canvas. To change how the two images blend together, right-click on either of the image layers in the Layers panel. A small pop-up menu will appear next to it. In that pop-up, look for the Blend Mode drop-down. Click it and choose a mode like Overlay or Multiply to change how the colors and details interact between the two photos. You can also adjust the opacity slider to make the top image more transparent and subtle. And that's it. You've successfully overlaid pictures in Pixlr.